guys, we are going to try the Fashion Brow Maybelline New York. So I just bought this today and let's try it. So we'd know if it really is good. Okay, dagan kita na dung ganyan. Nice, good ko na siya na product. So first thing that you have to do is to brush your eyebrow. Anyway, this comes with an applicator already. I already opened it. Nasa applicator. Let's use that later. So I'll just use my spoolie to brush this. You have to prepare your eyebrow. Ano siyang brush. So I'm on the shade dark brown. So dark brown because my hair is dark. If your hair is lighter, then you can use the light brown shade. So
brown?
Yes.
Mama, I like light brown. Mama,
Okay. So this is how it looks like. It comes with I think this is a wax or pomade na siya. Then this is how you what you will use to set the. So this is the powder na imong gamiton to set it in place, and then this one is pang contour nimo because this is also a nose palette. So let's already try and check this out. First thing that we have to do, we'll use this one, the wax or the pomade. It is more practical to buy an eyebrow powder than you use katong mga retractable or katong pencil because dugay kayo na silang makurot. My son runs dito. Say hi!
Hi guys, today is me. Mama is hairy because my video is talking because I'm there. Bye-bye for more videos. Please subscribe for more ready videos. Bye-bye!
Okay, thank you. So let's use the applicator. Let's now apply the powder. Okay, so if you think you're done with it, you use a concealer. Use concealer para limpyuhan ang edges. I'm going to use my Naturactor na concealer. Brush, ang brush. Okay, so we're done on this side now. I'll just finish the other side and let you see kung unsa yang end result. So guys, I'm already done sa ako ang left side na eyebrow and this is how it looks like. So yes, it can be really achieved no kung imuha lang gyud ayuhon og pagkilay ang imuhang kaugalingan. And you don't worry guys kung dili siya pantay kay ang ato ang kilay similar gina siya sa mga boobs. Dili na siya fair. Dili siya pareha og idakon, dili siya pareha og basta, dili sila pareha. Okay? So, don't compare your kilay to this on the right side na kilay sa yung left side. Because again, dili sila the same. And, don't worry if masayop mo ganing and don't worry if na may sayop ka na ganing maglapaw-lapaw ang inyong pagkilay because always remember nga magamit mo pud mo og concealer to clean the edges. Mo po na siya mo correct sa imuhang sayop pud na paglinya, unang paglinya sa imuhang kilay. From Bellisima. Pwede ni siya pang gabi, pwede po ni siya pang buntag. I use this as a primer but this is actually a moisturizer. 4 drops. You can use it as a primer or a moisturizer. We're done with the brows and now let's try our nose. So let's try ang iyahang nose palette. So this one, the lightest na shade mo makita kaning sa powder, ano siya para sa contour. So sa pag-contour, basihan nimo kaning diri sa imong eyebrow rapor. Okay, so that's it and we're done. So that's it guys, we're already done and this is the final look of my kilay. Yes, ang importante ani is ang atong kilay kay mao man gyud ang atong review and of course ang iyahang nose palette na medyo pod ni edge pod kamay ang atong ilong dira no. So if I zoom you in, that's how my kilay looks. So once again, thank you so much to Dangdang for the lipstick and don't forget guys to visit Bellisima Skin Renewal located at Kangs Daro, Dumaguete for more products, the DNA serum that I used a while ago. And that's it. Goodbye guys!